Hey, what's up? This is the R&B sensation, John Michael in the building.
My name is Sandra.
Say Passe, it's your boy Dream.
This is Tremaine.
HCI out here with the brethren.
D-Dog.
Sister Mo.
All I got is $85 in this bank account.
I just got my Zulu bees.
The
Zulu
This is all I need.
And they banging.
Banging, they banging.
Banging.
Banging,
Banging. Banging.
banging, they banging.
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 Zulu bees, they banging. You should already know.
The Lord has comforted his people and will have compassion upon them in their sorrows. Come on, somebody. I know we're talking about stuff. God is in control of this. All things work out for those that love God. And he said a couple things. There's a couple things, all things. All things. It all gonna work out. Young people, keep your mind on the Lord and not that TV and that Xbox. God bless you. Again, Meek Mills, I'm asking one more question because I love to put stuff out there for the kids. What you want to say to the kids, man? Give them something real. Like, what would your OG say? Give them something real.
I ain't used to believe when people say it could be anything in the world. I ain't never used to believe that. I thought people used to say it just to say it. But I mean, if you work hard, do what you gotta do, you can be anything.
It's 106 Friday, people on Bay. What up, Zulu, Big Lil Bandit? Check me out this evening on the radio, 6 to 10 p.m. tomorrow, 3 to 7 p.m., all right? Now, when we're right along with the show, Olivia just hit the stage. That's DJ Key providing the beat in the background. This is the Beat Block Party.
Oh! All right, DJ, throw this music on. I'm going to show you how to amp this joint up real quick. Y'all ready? All right, now. I like to get it high. Well, let's go!
Black City Trick, Black City Trick, 10, 10, 20,
I said, I see them.
VIP, no guest, no CT, no.
Thank you. Who is that in the Aqua Centra over there?
For an entire year. That's right.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't look now. It's an aqua colored Centra.
More at $24.99.
And you got to know to have a fin.
Supposed to try to beat on beat. What up, Zulu, Big Lil Bandit? Ken, what's going on today here at O'Reilly?
A whole bunch of people out today with cars. Have a nice little car show going on. So come out and see us.
All right, so it's 106.5 The Beat Won't Beat. We're at O'Reilly's right now. It's look like it's starting to look like a car show. What's up, man?
Good, how are you?
Zulu, Big Lil Bandit, 106.5 The Beat. I see you come out to O'Reilly's today. Tell me what's going on today.
Well, I race myself.
Oh, we ain't got a racer in the building. What's it like to be a racer? Let's keep it going.
It's an adrenaline rush.
Really?
It's great, yeah.
So why are you racing?
Where baby? To win money. Okay.
Duh. Come on, man. I know you in uniform, but I know you listen to hip hop. Nice to meet you, bro. What's going on with you?
Good.
Okay, look. Bam. How you doing?
Hey.
How you doing?
Oh,
My name's Zulu, Big Lil Bandit. I see you checking out your selections of key rings out of the O'Reilly massive key ring selection. And you can make your purchase right here at the counter. How you doing back there? What's going on, bro?
What's going on?
You looking for you? They got you on a hard day today?
No, it's not bad.
It's not bad?
Nah, it's
Just
not
kicking it off?
Yes.
Okay, everyone, I'm going outside. If you stop being shy to get on camera, I'll be outside, okay? We got giveaways. Supposed to try to beat, won't beat. What up? Zulu, Big Lil Bandit. Here I am. I'm standing outside of Sheikh Beethoven's mansion. We in Staten Island, New York. All the Moors is in the building. That's good.
We will pray for you.
Shambeto, he's a very famous guy because he has like 11 million disciples all over the world. Paris to Italy, Spain, everywhere in the world.
More is definitely in the house. Sheikh Beethoven is his first time here in America.
And you're having hope and faith. We will pray for you.
Banging. Zulu Nation salute.